Today, I've got the Lino H1, a cordless all-in-one wash machine for your car. It's a car washing machine. It claims it can wash, wax, vacuum, and extract dirty water without a hose, without a driveway, and without having to go to a car wash. Personally, I backed this project before I knew they were coming on, and I'm really happy that they are on. One reason I backed it is because this team is connected with the INOX group, and I covered the INOX group before, and in my experience, they're a real solid operation. Every project that they've backed, they've hit the marketplace, they've shipped. So my confidence with them is way more than a trust me bro campaign. But it is crowdfund junkie, so we are still going to ask the questions that backers actually care about, like paint safety, real world dirt maintenance, and Kickstarter reality check. Quick update, Harvey, who is one of the founders, was supposed to be here, under the weather a little bit. So today I am pleased to announce that Cynthia, who is the CMO, is here with us today. She's gonna jump in a minute, and also I hope Harvey feels better. So all right, let's get right into it. Cynthia, for people meeting you for the first time, who are you and what's your role with the company?
Thanks for having us. So I lead the go-to-market strategy and also the marketing for Leo. My journey with the project backdate to 2023, where we start this project. And we are actually doing a lot of rigorous market research into the consumer habits and also the pain points and also the automotive maintenance. So essentially my job is to bridge the gap between the engineering and also the real world problem the car owners is facing every day.
Give me the quick origin of the story. Like, where's this idea come from? What was the moment where you guys said, hey, we need to reinvent the car washing system? What kicked off Harvey's, his drive to build a new portable car wash?
Well, Harvey used to study the drones at school, and then it actually came out of like a pretty sheer frustration when they are doing the drone testing because they have to go to like remote areas. So every time when they're doing those testing, their cars just get absolutely filthy. So when they want to clean it, they just found it is frustration because they can't found a proper tool to do the car wash. So they have no other choices. They have to either go to the car wash facing like there might be some scratches on the car, or they have to go to the detailing to pay high price, or they have to prepare a lot of tools to do the DIY. That's the method they don't want to take. So there's chance for them to doing some other tools to fit this gap. So here's the idea come from.
That makes sense. Dirty cars, don't want to wash them all the time. So with this unit, right, I know that he and his partner, am I correct? They were both like drone guys. So because I read that and I was like, well, what does the drones have to do with a car wash? But now it makes sense. If you're driving out to the middle of nowhere and your cars are getting filthy to test the drones, now it makes sense. Okay, got it. All right, so let's talk about INOX for a minute. Like, what's your relationship with INOX? How did you guys team up? Is it like as an advisory, or is it engineering support, manufacturing support?
Well, actually, we attend the XBotPark incubator program, which is the same ecosystem with INOX. They're actually the same. So they're not just financial advisors. They actually provide a lot of support, including like the top tier engineering mentorship and also like a structural support for your initial concepts. And also they open doors for the massive global marketing textures. Like we finally got the chance to attend CES. Like for a small team like us, you actually don't have access loan. So actually they provide a lot of opportunity for us for
Got it. Right. Yeah, I know about their incubator program's really cool. If my wife would let me go to China, I have something I want to invent, but there's no way she'll let me go there. And because Shay told me, well, you can come out to China and sign up and whatever, but it's not going to happen.
Guys, you have to see this. Look at this place. It's called Concrete Jungle DTLA, and it's everything. Imagine opening your own shop here. Clothing, food, whatever you want. The community is amazing, and the vibe is unbeatable. This is where your dream business could be. So what are you waiting for? Lease now at concretejungledtla.com.
Now explain H1 in a nutshell. Walk me through a normal wash. What does the wash look like? How does it clean up? All that good stuff.
So you can think of that like an easy, smart cordless vacuum mop. We actually only get 3 to 4 steps, depends on how you use it. The first one is you use our roller to spray the foam. So our machine will automatically dilute the detergent you put in the tank for you. So all you need to do is start the machine and then press the foam button on the roller to spray the dense foam. And then the second you press the power on of the roller, it will rotate reversibly. And then each pass, it will wash and coating at the same time.
Is there
So,
water? Is there water
uh,
involved or no? Do you have to hook it up to a hose? No, because then it wouldn't be totally portable. It has a tank.
yeah, that I forgot to mention. We have 2 tanks. The first one is the freshwater tank and also a dirty water tank.
So it's all self-contained. So let's say you're going out into the desert or something like that where it's dusty or whatnot. You can pre-fill the machine, just have it in your trunk, and when you're ready to wash your car, you just get out and wash the car.
Yeah, exactly.
Got it. All right, that's cool. And cleanup? Because now you got all this messy. Is it kind of like I have one of those, what is that, the iRobot things that washes the floor? And it's got 2 tanks. One's dirty and one's clean. You just take the dirty and dump it out.
We actually have the same working principle, just
You
like
do?
yeah. But we have extra step for the roller because you use the roller to clean the surface. So you also have to put away into that machine and then start the self cleaning for the sponge.
How long does it, like if I own a car, I want to wash my car, how long does it take to wash my car from start to finish?
What size of your car? Like,
I own a Bentley, but yes, I own a Bentley. It's, it's not, yeah.
well, it
It's a
depends on the.
two-door. It's a Continental GT, and it's white, so I like keeping it clean.
I would define that like a large SUV.
If I had you on the mobile one, I would take you out to the car. I wish I had the thing here. I would use it. Can we? Yeah, why not? Here, get the door. Hold on. We're going to go out. Come on. Jesus Christ. Let's go outside. It's that size.
Oh, I like the clean surface. Actually, it makes our washing efficient, increase
See?
the working efficiency. Yeah.
I can't wait to get this. All right, let's go back. We are very mobile today. All right, so how long is it going to take me to wash my car?
I think for your car, it's under 20 minutes when you're familiar with our product.
So when you know how to use it, 20 minutes done.
Yeah, because your car is like medium to large size sedan,
Right.
And also, of course, a luxury car. And also the surface is quite clean. So for each pass, it will move quite fast.
All right, so I'm going to ask you, leading into that. So a lot of people might be thinking, so for instance, it is a luxury car, right? People are going to be nervous about, scratches and damaging the car, the paint, the solvents, all that stuff.
So how do we do like zero scratches? Because we designed the cleaning roller so when you have a close up shot of our cleaning roller, you will see it will rotate reversibly, just like the 3D rendering video in our campaign page. That means every time when we will lift those dirt before it move around your paint, like each pass, it will work like this way.
Okay, got it.
Then after
So
that we
it-
had
no chance of scratching paint or any of that. And
yeah.
and it waxes, right? Because from the video, when you were doing the demo, it literally looks like a ceramic is being put down.
Yeah, we applied a coating, a nano ceramic coating on that as well.
I'm right? You can literally the ceramic coating on the car with this device, with this machine. So the rollers, how often do they need to be replaced? Honestly,
For the roller, it depends on how frequently you use it. Yeah, so our
Average.
official after 30 washes,
and so
generally
after 30 washes, it gets replaced, or does it just replace them?
there's 2 ways. Like you can either replace it when it's broken,
Right.
or you can replace it after every 30 washes.
And
Yeah.
so on your website, you're going to be able to buy like a package of rollers or whatever to keep, I'm sure, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
got it. Have you tested this thing out like publicly? Do you have like how many working models do you have right now? Do you have any
We
working
have
ones?
one
With it?
working models in the office, and
Okay.
also we are doing a real world test around the parking, the parking
Are you?
lot.
All right, cool. So obviously, when you go to a car wash, right, it does a lot of things like it cleans the wheels with the brake dust and all that stuff, or if there's bugs on the front of the headlights and all that stuff. Would that be something you just do that by hand, or is there something you can do with this machine to cover the entire car?
We actually taking care of the exteriors. Let's just break into several questions. So firstly, what kind of contaminants we can handle is like tree saps, bird droppings, heavy road grime, but not for like heavy off-road mud. We cannot deal with that. So for this
Not like
kind of
heavy. No,
contaminant,
no. Yeah, if
yeah,
you go off-roading and you come back with a truck that's full of mud, I mean, I think anybody would be nuts not to just take a hose and do
yeah,
it
to
that way.
flush it.
All right, but so okay, so that's cool. All right, so bird droppings, tree sap, all that stuff you can do,
Yeah.
and you can clean the glass with it too.
Yep,
The
exactly.
windshield. Okay. When you thought about this product, did you have an ideal customer in mind? Is it more high end? I can't remember. I actually backed you, and I don't even remember what the hell I paid. If they get in right now, how much can they get this for on Kickstarter?
So actually, we are having we provide early bird right now. It is 349 for the basic. For the basic
349.
bundle is yeah.
Yeah, I bought the bigger. What's the better bundle?
Battery bundle is 349,
Yeah,
and
but don't you
also the
think
hybrid.
wasn't there a hybrid or something?
Yeah, we also have a plug-in option as well.
That's the one I
399.
got. Not bad. I mean, think about it. I have a really good deal. I pay $50 a week to have somebody come out and wash my car, but that's just because he's a friend of mine. Normally it's 100. So I mean, in a few washes, it's paid for itself. It's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm digging it. All right, let's see. Oh, and it fits in a car.
The dimension is actually like this size.
Yeah, so you can put it in your trunk.
Yeah, on the
Unless
truck
you have like
anytime.
a Fiat or something or whatever. But I don't have a trunk, I don't think. But battery life, because if you don't get the hybrid model that plugs in, how long does the battery last on these things?
The battery one for charge can do 2 for exterior washes.
Okay.
And if you want to cover the exterior and interior together, then one full charge can take 1 for car wash.
Wait a second. What do you mean interior? This thing washes an
So
interior too?
yeah, we have a handheld vacuum cleaner.
Really? Oh shit, I missed
Yeah.
that. Oh, that's cool. Now I'm really glad I backed it. That's awesome. I did not even see that. You got me at watching that thing go over. It looks so cool. The way, I mean, I was so impressed. I love tech stuff anyway. So I was like, man, I hope this isn't a scam. And as soon as I found out you were with INOX, I'm like, I'm getting in on this one. How long, and batteries, standard batteries. So like what, charging takes how long to recharge it?
Uh, 2.5 hours.
There any filters or anything that you need? Does it use any filters or no?
Because we are not recycling the water, so we don't have a filter. We don't need to.
Oh yeah. So as far as like the solution that you mentioned, right? Is the solution something proprietary to what you've done, or can somebody just buy any solution so long as it matches your recommendation?
Well, we also support 1 to 50 ratio,
Okay.
so you can buy from your favorite brands.
Okay, got it. And you just dilute it,
Yeah,
right?
you just pour that liquid into our the detergent bottle, and
Got
then
it.
you're ready to go.
This is one that I want to know. What stage are you in production right now?
We are in the production ready phase,
Okay.
so all of our structural blueprints and electrical engineering and function architectures have been completed and locked down and vetted.
Hey guys, check this out. This is a cool collab art from Rebrand Soul with the Mr. Split design collection. You can customize them from the sole to the designs, and you can even color them however you want. So grab your pair only at rebrandsoul.com.
And you got your certifications. I know sometimes UL certification here in the United States is a nightmare. So you've got that, or is that's in place, or is it almost done?
They're in progress because we are shipping globally, so we have to get including like the CE, FCC, and also UN 38.3 for our like the high capacity lithium battery pack,
Right.
and also our EMC certification testing is underway. But before that, we have already complete a rigorous pre-testing safety protocols internally, so to make sure this official lab check will go through seamlessly.
Beautiful. All right. And when do you think you're going to ship this?
Our expected shipping delivered is in September to October.
September, October. Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, are you going to be offering a warranty on this
Yeah, we offering like a 2-year warranty.
and support on it? Is like if something breaks, they just go through
Yeah,
you?
absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
We have a support email. So once you have some problem, you can just contact us directly.
Is there anything that you want to say about the product that I haven't talked about? I mean, we've talked about like charging and the solution and how it works. And is there anything I missed that you want to let people know about?
I think most of the people don't really know how our products is designed because we call it like an all-in-one, but they actually don't know what we can do. So also like we have taken everything into consideration. The auto mix for the detergent and also like for large vehicles, like if you have like a F-150. If you have a car like this size, we also prepared a solution for you. We have a telescopic extension wand. You can attach the cleaning roller on that and then stand on our secure standing base, which is the maximum load is 150 kilograms.
So you stand on the machine, basically.
Yeah,
Okay, got it. So you stand on the machine and you get the top of your truck.
yeah.
That works for me. All right. So listen, here's the deal. Anybody that is hesitant about getting a product from that's associated with INOX, you're nuts. You shouldn't be crowdfunding, period. Because this is the real deal. I am telling you, I would be shocked if it didn't deliver. We know it's going to deliver. If you want to get one of these guys, I'll have the link in the description. You can back it. The faster you get in, the better the deal because, you know, I don't know if some people don't know how Kickstarter works. Get the early birds, you get a better deal. Otherwise, it goes to the regular one. They're all good deals because they're all going to be discounted. And I just want to thank you for coming on, Cynthia, for filling in for Harvey. I appreciate it. Really am happy that your project's going so well. It was a pleasure to meet you. And if you like the show, like us, subscribe, tell your friends, and we're just going to keep trying to find the best Kickstarter gigs out there that we're pretty confident are going to deliver. So, thank you very much, and we'll catch you on the rebound. I'm going to come back once I get the product. I'd love to have you on and do a recap.
Thanks for your time, Philip.
All right, great.